Hello. Good morning, yeah. Wherever you are watching me from. Today is Befania Day in Italy, 6th January 2022. To God be the glory. Osawese. Osawese. I'm going to buy some stuffs. I have people for lunch or dinner because I know lunch and dinner today. So get what I know get for somewhere I won't go by to welcome my visitors. Then when I go see the headline there, they said they go arrest. It's already confirmed. They go arrest Sister Rita H. Mother. What a shame. What a shame. It is not saga. When I tell you, I say, people insulting your parents, insulting your family, your children, your everything that concerns you, that is dealing to you. Then they will not call it saga. I've been saying it that it's not saga. You people think that there's saga, they will think, go reach your tongue. Today, na Sister Rita body. Tomorrow, you don't know when will be your home. And the time I say, you people should not use this that social media. It happens on daily basis. It happens, say, you know, the social media. That is on oppression. Those are the act of the narcissist. I'm telling you, people should. This will not be novel. I say you're going to read novel. You don't get a chance to read novel. Go to YouTube. Go and be listening to videos of the narcissist. This is the way the narcissists behave. They want to have control of everything. Especially when you are an empathy to them. When you have what they don't have, you become their supply. Supply means that you become their target. Because everything in your life is what they want to have. Is what they are dreaming of. They don't have it. Just name it now. The people that conspirate this thing, tell me how happy are they in their life. Just tell me, but this one, these people wait to have. Tell me which happiness in their life.
This God will bless you for this truth which you just talk so. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Odion Lovett for him to go carry police to go arrest Rita mama in with prophetess Grace. My people, now no say truth, it dey bitter for people to talk. Truth really they bitter, like seriously, my people. I did this social media. Sometimes I dey watch some live videos, you know. Before I dey watch Odion Lovett, but when I consider they go out of track, that's what we all follow them. You understand, my people? Sarita na person with me I see like too, you know. I never see say Rita they insult Odion Lovett for this live video once. I never see her one day say Sarita they insult Odion Lovett once. I never see her one day. I was shocked when I see say Odion Lovett just carry come out. Because you see say Rita they get quarrel with the other woman. You begin to take sides, begin to insult Rita. You know, you don't do that. And you talk about this social media and say, if somebody not talk to you, not they talk to them. But you they forget some people who you don't talk to. You they forget many people who you don't talk to. I remember when Lady T.O. happened that time with a last lady. You take side. You join last lady. You begin to insult Lady T. Lady T don't ever talk to you for this social media before. Lady T don't ever insult you for this social media before. But you insult that woman. You insult that woman for YouTube. You get one woman what they call for your platform that time. Too often now when you insult her, she never take police to arrest your family. She never even respond to you one day. You think that's not that woman mind today. I been say that woman also that video that time. Okay. Then all have a bolo for her. Rita, oh, everybody this social media, Rita never talk to you one day. The next thing you begin to insult Rita. You begin to talk to Rita. I was like, this woman, is everything okay? But Rita never talked to you before. Why you can't insult Rita? You insult this woman, you start to talk to her before she, even when she want to reply, you should go there, even they laugh, say, I never have quarrel with her. I don't have any problem with her. I don't know why she's insulting me, but you should just leave her. Maybe now view she did look for. And so she did respond to you. Then the next thing what you can't do, wake on your boss everywhere and I be say, you with Prophetess Grace carry police. Prophetess Grace, Rita never talked to you once. You want say you be Christian, you come out, carry police, go somebody house. So you want to go arrest the family? Like seriously? Like, are you kidding me right now? Are we joking here? My sister, you see all those Bible one and they carry come and call the preaching. Mona stop this thing, I beg. Mona stop her. God the verse. God no want to see all those things. Injustice. There be all those ones. And you go just wake up in the morning, go carry police, go arrest. That woman will not even know what I pick they do saga for social media. Mona stop all those things now. If you don't want, if you don't say insult, they pay you for body. Don't do saga. Saga na insult. What do you not do? Put that for your body. That's how it be. Come on, body. If you don't say you not sabi do saga, not do saga. If you not say insult, they pay you for body. My sister, I beg. Not do. Not do. I love what Mama Gladys talk. I put the video more than see. If you not say saga, they pay you. Not do. You talk to me, I talk to you. You go carry police and go arrest Mama. Are you kidding me? Now Mama send me live video. Mama send me video when I did do. I be more than remove parents. Last year, na I use and do. This year, you go. Why be swore police? I want that with like New Year. I want be better even na. More than take a easy na. Wow, what did they play? What did they play? My Papa put the video when Mama Gladys did talk. I don't want to make the video too long. Thank you, my darling. More than let me share this video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
Hello. Good morning, yeah. Wherever you are watching me from. Today is Befanian Day in Italy, 6th January 2022. To God be the glory. Osawese. Osawese. I'm going to buy some stuffs. I have people for lunch or dinner because I know lunch and dinner today. So okay, wait, I don't get fast. I won't go by to welcome my visitors. Then when I go see the headline there, they said they go arrest. It's already confirmed. They go arrest Sister Rita H. Mother. What a shame! What a shame! It is not saga. When I tell you, I say, people insulting your parents, insulting your family, your children, your everything that concerns you, that is dealing to you. Then they will not call it saga. I've been saying it that it's not saga. You people think that there's saga, they will think, go reach your tongue. Today, the Sister Rita body. Tomorrow, you don't know when will be your home. And the time I say, you people should not use this that social media. It happens on daily basis. It happens, say, you know, the social media. That is on oppression. Those are the act of the narcissist. I'm telling you, people should. This will not be novel. I say you're going to read novel. You don't get a chance to read novel. Go to YouTube. Go and be listening to videos of the narcissist. This is the way the narcissists behave. They want to have control of everything. Especially when you are an empathy to them. When you have what they don't have, you become their supply. Supply means that you become their target. Because everything in your life is what they want to have. Is what they are dreaming of. They don't have it. Just name it now. The people that conspirate this thing, tell me how happy are they in their life. Just tell me, but just one. These people wait to have. Tell me, which happiness is their life? Which happiness is their life? You know they. And everything they have planned all these years is continuing returning back to them. It continue knocking on their doors. The shame at this case will enter their body, so we say, they don't say no fight for my power, no fight for my power. You know the shame many weeks, that's what Papa died. Shame at this case for them to accept. Say, this thing, what you call happen now? He accepted not there. Among women, I bless nothing on the okay? Because they want you to cry with them because they are crier, and that cry will remain in their life. Okay? That cry will remain in their household. That's why I told us, say, make when they pray, return back to sender. Any man or woman, any prayer, even though say love you, I love you the way you love me. Because there are many people that say they love you in their mouth. Inside their heart is full of evil. Okay? Inside their heart is full of evil. So whatever you wish me, I wish you. Okay? Will you Messi Ben look at it now? Look at him, the family of Sylvester Maroni. They don't give her justice now. So make sure they're happy. Make sure they're happy so that it happen to. That's what they're going to see you their mama tomorrow. Unnecessary. When I go hear the cost when mama and Sylvester cost, and I'm going to do that video this evening. Is anybody will take it here and was okay with it? That kind of thing will still happen. That kind of thing will still happen to that person's family. So make sure they clap on the happen. Say yes. Now my mama happen to. When I forget, say these are the way the maniash, the unrepentant evildoers, these are the way they have been doing. That when they come, when they go bring you come, you get any problem with them, oh, you know what they say you don't want to pay. They will go carry you to the church in your man. That was how they carry Yelana entered the social media. They consider us Yoruba. We can't defeat them because I stand with the Bible says hold the water. It will not prevent this social media. We defeated them there. They tried to take it to intimidate people, especially me. I said no for good 2 years. I said like that. Only cost we not that place can work together. Now what now? What happened? Check the house. So the same thing. When I just said these people, they are not working alone. They are not working alone. The people, even the one we want to consider, all those unrepented, you may not be of the old ones. They don't know themselves. When they call here, mommy, they are all together. Okay? They are working together. Because they don't want anybody to start killing on this social media. Because they cannot do it with their full face. They actually cannot do it because they will flash them out. So what is the problem? And secondly, if they have anything happen, they want you as a presenter, make this one not talking, make this one not talking, to hide it under the carpet for them. That's why they do not want anybody, any presenter to start killing, but when they cannot control. They say they don't control me. I tell them, say me, I tell you. Now viewers don't want for social media. Viewers know but God give me the money. I don't get the money. Okay? But me, I go continue to the expose now. This is the tactic of a lunatic people, a narcissist. They were not able, okay? They were not able to shut up everybody. They have tried to shut up with juju and everything. But today, they are not using police. Ojo Lovett come out for me last year without me even nominating her for one day. She insulted everything about her family from head to Z. So, she was not waiting for me to come down so low to say, I go tell police, come go arrest the family. Say, insult my father, insult my mother. I did not answer now. But I pray to God Almighty, the waiting that will befall on her and all the evil group that they are conspirating this thing, they will not survive it. How are they not going to be surviving it? Let me say they go die you. With our eyes and our here, we will see the end of the wicked. Not if you ask them what, not be monetization. When you monetize, you don't monetize that. Make the money now. Make the money. If you go marry or see me now. If you ask marry, because people are tired and sick of every year by year. Year by year, we see new year. In Italy, 26 January we are in Bethania. What did these people just under New Year? What do they just conspirate and bring out now? To go arrest somebody his mother. Say, Saka, you are the one that look for them. Okay? You are the one that look for them first. This one, the second way they talk, say, go arrest Frank brother. Frank brother. If I got to remember, Frank came out and said sorry to Rita. Because he knows that he was so wrong. So for you people to put it now, say, he go arrest Frank brother. I'm not in any group. But they say, he said if you can't beat the join the, but you want to join the good one. Okay? I'm not joining any group, but the truth I must stand because it's the truth that will set you free. If Frank not that, he did not get the wrong Rita. Why after he came out and said sorry to Rita? Eh? Why later come out and say sorry to Rita? Make una the enjoy now. Make una the enjoy. But when they close my foundation that year, I cried that. Nobody, okay? Nobody come and look and nobody talk from you. Obaseki is not closing foundations. People want to come out because injustice for Gladys is so good. Injustice about Gladys is so good. But remember when I said, when injustice for one is injustice for all. Okay? Injustice for one is injustice for all. Make una dey clap and say, I'm not saying Rita. The two Franco, but as I say Franco come out to say, I'm sorry to Rita, this is the person that burned me, that persuaded me to do it. Rita did not talk to Frank once. Just like this John Lovett. And that's 2 years ago, she was the one that came to me. She even told me to join her. We should come together to be fighting Lolo and Monica. I said, no, I'm not part of it. Okay? Later, table cut on. Because I know some of them will go. Now we see this. So last year, November, she came after me. So when I want to tell us what I'm here. So for I'm on the bill. Oh, okay, I'm on the bill. Have you asked what I'm now? After this one, now who again? Who again? When I want to tell police not to shoot again, I beg. You are taking the first step for going to court. Don't go back, oh. Don't go back. You know when they say they can't be go court here? They take out the prayer and say, when they go to be a court with drunkers, I said, no. We must go to court. We must go to court. Now I tell you, no, so Sister Rita, if you are going to court, don't go with 5 hours a video. Cut it to 2 minutes. Kisna Mabude, he bring a video of 3 hours. When George look my video, where they just George gonna laugh. Later, when I gonna talk, the woman when they interpret, he was not telling the judge, see what I talk. The judge was not tired of the video of me. When Kisna Mabude carry court. Now I tell the judge, don't tell yourself, it's okay. I got my own video. And you know what happened? Before that day, now still 5 hours, 3 hours video, let me be sticking to. When we call enter court, the judge called the house the carabinieri and the prosecutor. Me ain't glad this video because you know if you look on it, may not still see my own evidence. That prosecutor said they don't look for the notion. Now I tell my judge, now I tell my lawyer, say, tell judge, say, lie. Make we close this case, make we close this case today. And if they don't see my own video, can they come? And they go bring my own come. if the prosecutor don't get my own cabinet collect from me, I go duplicate because I get them 10. I do it for different, I do it for city, I do it for key. Okay? I spend nobody. The next court there, I go bring my own. God so kind. My own for still make lawyer and judge tire. That is to say that that's the work of God for you. That is the work of God for you. When I want to go, God so kind. The video, where I carry go, it could be 3 minutes video. That's why I just said, anything when come there to me, I forgive her. Now can't they come bring that video come for me? Because I will not get that full video again. That's why the people who say come meet me. When they're going to do kunu, and they make sure I collect something from them. That's why, so no matter what you call they go do to me today, I forgive her because that day, that video was one of the videos where I said, get my victory. That is God for you. When I call reach the court in and I come carry my video go was just 5 minutes so the judge really enjoyed that. He said these are the video we are looking for. Maybe not 5 hours so because the judge contacted after me and they said no, before I go start, I go talk for almost 1 hour 30 minutes. Before I go talk with I want talk, okay? So my people, about Sister Rita, anybody when they say they won't carry police call, tell them say you must go court. Okay? And if you are going to court, just go to cut all those points. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, because there's no judge that will sit down there to be looking at all these lunatic people talking trash because they are frustrated on Europe. And secondly, I want everybody to start watching the videos of narcissists. The way these people are behaving is a real narcissist. They are frustrated. They are not tired. So they bring out new 30s every day to call you to their court. Don't go. If the something, even though say they gather together today, they curse you. As I do this video, all of them will come out. I didn't know who. Since 5 years, they have been cursing. Now their life, they go back me and go front. Okay? Because they even to say, if the person will not better pass will curse you. Never you go down so no say beg, no curse you again. Okay? So my people, go down and watch narcissists. Their life. They don't have anything. Maybe somebody just have to hit up their 2 house. Just because they tell them. They tell us, say, if it fit, they go join and drive people into house. They go join and destroy people's life. Unless you call them for social media. Am I met it keke and answer? Am I met it social media keke? And I want and 1 year 6 months to there. To the apology. And I'm so they promise some. They be promise some. Okay? Say they go help her. Unless you go take it back. Unless you go say hey. Unless you go do this. Unless you go do that. I'm married by frustration. This is what I want people to do. Continue ignoring them. If you want to kill your enemy, let them from if assassin no say he no issue and I combine it. Do you know what I've known them as a liar, as a frustrated people? Don't go solo. Me this year, I will be the last person to respond to their call, to anything they will say. They don't make kata. They don't make kata. Me affect when you go say that all the causes when she lay on other people's husband, you there for your husband body. All the causes when she love for people shoot their body, and I'm with your body and I'm a meditation. Right, Anna, I'm a meditation. And till 100 years to come, it's a generational curse. Because if you cannot defend that for your whole son, you are nobody. You're not supposed to be called a mother, not to talk of a woman. Okay? So enough is enough. Shame on Unamona Enter House. 2022 just started. Look at the evil. Look at it. Because people are crying. That time you need to have expected to matter for state. Where that is the sort of narcissist. When you are better than them, they want to die. They will do anything to kill, but they will die. Because they are the person that is seeing you as a target, that is seeing you as an enemy. When my dad, so you continue shining. Okay? You continue shining, they will continue dying. Because he will never get that friendship. I force someone was say, you cannot force somebody to be your friend. And you cannot ever be a friend to a narcissist. You can never be a friend to a narcissist. Because you can come to them to be a friend, tomorrow they go change again. They are like a chameleon. They are like a chameleon assassin. You get what you no get. They don't have happiness. See their life now. See their life. Name it. Name it. Somebody come out and fight for his own uncle. I said, no. My uncle, you started my uncle. This same person come out and disgrace this person. Make you wear. We got to get marry you. My uncle, where can I? Where I can I? Can your father go now? Can your father go? Take it, get we. Okay? Get we. Take up banana. I marry banana. When I hear the best way she say, she not come say sorry.